Hi, good to see you again in my YouTube channel. Well, today we're going to learn about past continuous tense, or how we can say to people what we were doing at the past. How we can say something to people what we were doing at the past. Apa yang sedang kita lakukan atau apa yang sedang kita kerjakan di masa lalu. At the past, in the past, di masa lalu. Okay? So, pay attention. For this tense, we are going to use a lot about was and were. You must be know what is was and were, or you must be ever heard about was or were, is, am, are, like that. Well, let me explain to you what are, is, am, are, and also was and were. Okay, was and were are used for the past, untuk masa lampau, while is, am, are used to present, digunakan untuk masa sekarang, masa present. Well, I'm going to give you some examples about was, were, and is, am, are to make you understand what are they. For the first example, I was a baby and now I am a man. I was a baby, now I am a man. I was a baby, now I am a man. Aku dulu bayi, sekarang aku seorang pria dewasa. Aku dulu bayi dan sekarang aku pria dewasa. Was itu menyatakan dulu, am itu menyatakan sekarang. For another example, I was very noob. I was very noob. And I am very pro. And I am very pro. Aku dulu noob banget. Sekarang aku pro banget. Was menyatakan dulu, am menyatakan sekarang. Was, were menyatakan dulu, is, am, are menyatakan sekarang. Well, I hope you got it. Was, were, and is, am, are. Well, let's go to the main topic, past continuous tense. Pay attention to this sentence, okay? What were you doing last night? I was reading on my bed last night. I was reading on my bed last night. Aku lagi membaca di tempat tidur. Aku lagi membaca di tempat tidur. Was di sini bisa diartikan sebagai kejadian yang dulu lagi dikerjain, sedang dikerjain. Berarti kalau I was reading, aku lagi membaca dulu. Aku lagi membaca saat itu. Lebih tepatnya ke saat itu. I was running. Aku saat itu lagi berlari. I was writing. Aku lagi menulis saat itu. Okay? Don't forget to put the time signal, okay? Like last night, yesterday, 2 days ago, this morning, this afternoon, okay? Don't forget that. The second sentence. What were you guys doing this morning? What were you guys doing this morning? We were studying in online class. We were studying in online class this morning. We were studying. We were studying. We were studying. Berarti kami pagi tadi lagi belajar online. We were studying. Okay? You have to remember, was is used for I, she, he, it. I was, he was, she was, it was. And were is used for you, they, we. You were, they were, we were. Read becomes reading, play becomes playing, pray becomes praying, run becomes running, sing becomes singing. Okay? This is more verbs for you. This is more verbs for you, okay? Just pause this. What were you doing when I came to your house last night? What were you doing when I came to your house last night? I was sleeping when you came to my house last night. I was sleeping when you came to my house last night. Aku lagi tidur ketika when. Okay. Aku lagi tidur ketika kamu datang ke rumahku tadi malam. Aku lagi tidur tadi malam. That's the point. Okay. What he was doing when the teacher came. He was hiding under the table when the teacher came. Dia lagi sembunyi di bawah meja ketika guru datang. Okay, was hiding berarti lagi sembunyi. Okay, I hope you understand for my explanations because we are going to do some exercises, okay? So, for number 1, what was he doing? What was he doing? What was he doing? He was running, okay? He was running this morning. Okay, for number 2, what were they doing? What were they doing? What were they doing? They were praying at the church. They were praying at the church. What were they doing when the presentation finished? They blah 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 when the presentation finished. Okay, the answer is they were clapping. For number 4, what was the man doing when the game happened? What was the man doing when the game happened? The man blah 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 when the game happened. The man was filming, okay, was filming. Okay, for the last number, what were you doing when I played in the match? I blah 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 when you played in the match. So the answer, I was staring at you. Atau you may say I was looking at you, that's okay. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand the lessons for today, kiddos. Now I want you to make a sentence by using was and also by using were in the comment below, okay? Make a sentence by using was and were in the comment below. I'll check it soon, okay? Bye bye. Cheerio.